everyone, it's Kara, your favorite Pescavini vegan. Today we're doing our Meatless Monday recipe, and it is truly meatless today. It is a chickpea stew, and this is from worldofvegan.com. So I used frozen spinach. I'm quadrupling this recipe, by the way, but I'll put a link to it in the description box below. So I'm using this whole box of spinach, and it was frozen, so I needed to go ahead and start it first. So we're going a little out of order, but this is so easy. I've already made some rice that I put a tablespoon of garlic in and a tablespoon of onion powder, and this is simple. Okay, so we're quadrupling the recipe, so I need half a teaspoon of garlic granules, or 4 cloves. And then we need a small onion, so we're gonna need 2 of those. I'm gonna use minced onions, so just a couple tablespoons of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's probably good enough. Turn it on medium heat. Now that our spinach is cooked and not frozen. Seriously, guys, especially if you're not using like real onion, you're using minced onion, this recipe takes maybe like 2 minutes. I used my rice cooker and did 2 cups of brown rice in there with chicken stock, not chicken stock, obviously veggie stock, and then a tablespoon of onion powder and a tablespoon of garlic powder. Now we need pasta sauce. We're using our Prego that I got from Sam's Club. So since we're quadrupling the recipe, we need 2 cups of this pasta sauce. 1, 2. One, 2, chickpea stew. Yummy, yummy. Isn't it so pretty? It's just so pretty. Now, we need 2 full cans of rinsed garbanzo beans, chickpeas. Because again, we're quadrupling the recipe, so 2 full cans. Make sure you rinse them. You will regret it if you don't. And then it says just 2 minutes and it's good. And that's actually if you use a handful of spinach like it says to do, and then it has to wilt. That's not the case here. It's already wilted because it was frozen. So probably not even 2 minutes, but we'll do it just for good measure. And that is it. That is literally it. You're done. This is your dinner. You could serve it over rice. You could serve it over pita bread. It's a chickpea stew, and it's done. Hope you guys give it a try.